Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In previous video, I have explained the basic concepts of HTML. In this video, I will explain you how you can insert images and how you can create list in your web page with the help of HTML code. Now I will explain you HTML images. In HTML language, images are defined with the help of img tag. Img tag is empty tag. It means that it has no closing tag. It contains only attributes. To display an image on the web page, you need to use a src attribute of img tag. Src stands for source code. The value of the src attribute is the URL of image which you want to display. Now I will explain you syntax of img tag. In angle bracket, first you have to write img tag, then src attribute. Src contain URL of image which you want to display, and you have to write URL in double quotation marks. You can see in this syntax. Now I will explain you attributes of the img tag. First attribute is src. Full form of src is source code. Through this attribute, we specify the image path with image name, an extension of image like BMP for bitmap image, JPG for JPG image, GIF image, and so on. Second attribute is alt. Alt stands for alternative text. If any browser that is not displaying image, that time alternative text will be displayed. Now third attribute of img tag is size. With the help of this attribute, we can give size of image like width of image and height of image. Now next attribute is border. With the help of this attribute, we can give border of insert images. You can see one example of img tag. In this example, we have insert one image whose URL is sunrise.jpg, and we have set width of this image is 400 and height is 450, and we have written one alternative text also, sunrise. You can see in this output, between two horizontal rule, one text is there, example of image tag, and we can insert this horizontal rule with the help of HR tag. What is a list? In HTML language, assume that if you want to develop your website, so you should have a menu about your website. Menu appear as a vertical or horizontal. You will use list to keep your vertical menu in order. Sometimes you will use list with vertical menu when you have some menus. You can see in this diagram. Generally, there are three types of list in HTML. An ordered list, which is also called bulleted list. Second is ordered list, which is also called numbered list. And third is definition list. Ordered list. Ordered list is used when the sequence of list items is important. You can see the syntax of ordered list in angle bracket OL tag. OL means ordered list. There are two attributes of ordered list, start and type. Start is used to changes the start value of the list. Type is used to set the numbering style like capital A, small a. Now you can see two examples of ordered list. In first example, we have written OL tag ordered list and type is capital A, and LI tag means list items. First item is apple, second item is bananas, third is lemon, and fourth is oranges. You can see the result of this code. Capital A apples, capital B bananas, capital C lemons, and capital D oranges. Similarly, in second example, we have written same code, but instead of capital A, we have written small a. Now you can see the result of this code. Small a apple, small b bananas, small c lemons, small d oranges. Unordered list. Unordered list is used when the related items have no special order or sequence. You can see the syntax of unordered list in angle bracket UL tag. UL means unordered list. UL tag contain only one attribute, type. Type specify the bulleted for the each unordered list item. Its values are disk, square and circle. You can see the example of unordered list. In first code we have written UL tag means unordered list and type is disk, and LI means list item. First item is apples, second is bananas, third is lemons and fourth is oranges. You can see the output of this code. Disk bulleted list. First is apple, bananas, lemons and oranges. Now second code, it is same, but instead of disk type we have written in this code circle. Now you can see the output of this code. Second one, disk bulleted list. Now third code is also same. Instead of circle type we have written in this example square. Now you can see the output of this code. Third one, square bulleted list. Definition list. The tag for this list is DL tag and close DL tag. Each term is surrounded with the DT tag and each description is surrounded with the DD tag. You can see one example of definition list. You can see code of definition list. First we have written DL tag for definition list and DT means data term. First term is electron which we want to describe and third tag is DD. Now again second term is neutron, then again DD for description and close DL tag. You can see output of this code. Electron, then description of electron, then neutron, then description of neutron. Nesting list. When we will use multiple list tag in single list, it is called nesting list. You can see one example of nesting list. In this code we have used UL tag also and OL tag also. It means we have used multiple list tag. So it is example of nesting list. You can see the output of this code. Now I will give you the review of all types of list. First one is ordered list. We will use OL for creating ordered list and it is used to produce numbered list. Second one is unordered list. It is used for creating bulleted list and for unordered list we will use UL tag. Each item in an ordered list or unordered list is surrounded with LI tag. Definition list. We will use DL tag for creating definition list. Each term in definition list is surrounded with the DT tag and each description is surrounded with the DD tag. So dear students, I hope you understood how we can insert images in our web page and how we will create list in our web page with the help of HTML code. Thank you.